Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Bima Chandra Narwangsa. I am 19 years old and I study at the University of Semarang, majoring in sports science. At this time, I will explain a report text about injury. What do you know about injury? In the world of sports, certainly not far from injury. Injury is a disorder that occurs in the body that results in pain, heat, redness, swelling, and unable to function properly in muscle, tendon, ligament, joints, and bone due to excessive movement, activity, or accident. How does the body react to injury? Someone who is injured will experience a process that we usually call inflammation, where the body carry out its natural process of self-defense by releasing certain chemical as an immune reaction aimed to destroy foreign substance or objects that are considered harmful, damage cell, bacteria, virus, in repairing body damage at the cellular level. The inflammatory response that occurs over a long period can damage the body. This happens because the substance or organism that trigger inflammation can last a long time in the blood vessel and cause plaque build up. The type of injury. Injury can be minor or severe injury. The minor injury are not followed by damage to body tissue. For example, stiffness and fatigue can resolve on their own over a while. Another case with the severe injury. The severe injury causes damage to the body tissue, such as a torn muscle or ligament to fracture. People affected by the impact are characterized by the following character: loss of substance or continually damaged or torn blood vessel. There is local inflammation characterized by heat, swelling, pain, or the injured body part cannot work optimally. How to deal with injury? Injury condition can heal quickly if done with the right treatment. Many clinic studies discuss two handling of injury, like the Price technique. The Price technique is protection, resting, icing, compression, and elevation. Protecting: if the body injured, immediately protect the injured area so as not to increase the risk of repeat injury by splinting it with an elastic bandage or dagger. And the rest is immediately rest the traumatized body part by not moving it. Icing is inflammation will occur at the beginning of the injury. Fortunately, to prevent this condition, we can use ice cube or cold water. Compress the swollen area for 5 minutes every 4 hours. And then the compression. Wrap it with an elastic bandage in the direction of blood flow to the heart to improve blood circulation so it doesn't accumulate at the injury site. Elevation is: in this condition, the injury organ must be raised to a higher position than the heart so that the swelling that appear immediately disappear. How to prevent injury? The way to prevent injury is doing enough warm-up before doing a sport activity. And then sufficient fluid need in the body, namely by drinking a lot of mineral water when doing a sports, and doing cooling down after exercise. I think that's all my explanation about the injury. Hopefully through my explanation can be useful for all of us. Thank you very much for all your attention. My name Bima Chandra Nawangsa. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.